Alright.
Nice. That's so freaking awesome.
Better be.
It looks like kind of like the deadbolt. It's longer, or is it longer?
Right.
Well, I actually still got
Yeah, I still gotta get everything else out of there.
It's cool.
Is that metal body?
No.
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 Plastic.
Does this one also have working lights?
Yep.
Nice. Really got them tires stuck in there.
Tires the same size, same everything. It almost looks, yeah, it totally looks like the deadbolt, the way it's elongated in the back. Oh, that is cool.
The hood is huge.
Too.
It's super wide on the front end, with the body at least.
Oh, geez, yeah.
Look
Look
how
at
much
that.
more body we've got between the...
Wow, look how lower that is.
Well, this is... I lifted that already yesterday.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
But this is... These tires are not the same.
No,
Oh, no, they're
tires are
smaller. Oh, they are smaller tires.
They've got a different tread on them as well.
Yeah.
They're nowhere near as squared. They're rounded off. These are the dirtiest tires. I can't read that. These are the BF Goodrich. Something or other. Crawler, but with a K. Crawler TAs. BF Goodrich Crawler TAs, so that's a licensed tire. And these are the Nitto Grappler MTs.
And that's
So-
what actually comes on those Jeeps, isn't it?
Right, those are
Yeah,
stock
so-
tires for that. These are stock tires for this. So they actually did change the tires, finally, and sent it with different tires. These,
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can show a comparison so they can see it.
those feel pretty squishy, but the sidewalls are very tough.
So it's kind of the light, but you can see.
Yeah.
And then, yeah,
All right.
cool. Let's open that sucker up.
I would,
do you
but that
wanna-
would mean that you'd get to see that right away. Instead, we'll just stare at it while we open up everything else. Batteries, extra links, extra clips for the hood, and a manual showing. That looks cool. That's way cooler than the other ones.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I guess if you're a Jeep fan, though, you'd be excited for the other ones more.
The rest of us wouldn't understand, right? If it were a Jeep thing.
I guess, maybe.
We just wouldn't get it. Another Charger that's
That's
worth
yes,
throwing and keeping, but not throwing away.
Right, Chargers suck. What is a flimsy bumper? What is that logo there? Oh, the Chevy logo. Let's see that.
I heard something hilarious about these.
They pop.
No, everybody's worried about the coronavirus. These were all packed in China. What do you think's? What air do you think's inside everybody's poppy packets? Everybody walks around doing this all day. This is all air came from China.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
Well, you just screwed
They're
us over.
spreading disease.
You
They're
just
spreading
spread
disease.
disease.
I'm gonna have to edit that out if one of us gets it. It looks
I'm
way
gonna-
too stupid. Instead of the Nitto sticker, you've got a BF Goodrich sticker. I don't know if you can see that.
To
There you
shed
go.
some light on the situation.
You still got the stickers for all the brands.
Oh
the
yeah.
Method wheels and the BF Goodrich tires, and they've got theirs. So like these cars are stickered up quite a bit with different logos for stuff. These as well.
Yeah.
And then this has still got them, but they're hidden much better. So this is a much more sleek, factory-looking truck. This looks really cool just by itself.
Right. It looks real low. I like that.
The front
I mean,
bumpers,
granted, you gotta
different.
lift it. I like that grill, the plastic.
Yeah, it's good.
The bumpers are weak.
Yeah, super weak. That's probably attached. No, that is attached to the.
It's reversible, which is good, like the other one.
Oh yeah, yep. So you can flip the bumper mount so you can get a higher bumper. Otherwise, it actually looks like it's got the same links as the Jeep and the same hinge system as the deadbolt. So it looks like they used both. That's the same hinge system the deadbolt uses, but I'm willing to bet the links are the same length as the Jeep.
Do you think their links are the same as a Jeep?
I bet they are.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then if you take the deadbolt and flip it over, the front links are way shorter and the rear links are way longer,
Yep.
offsetting the weight of the deadbolt farther forward by putting the motor and battery and everything farther forward.
Yep.
So you get, not to mention, this stupid light bar that grabs onto everything you try to rub up against. But that's fixable.
So this one is just lifted.
Correct.
This one has a lot of upgrades.
Yeah.
That's obviously got no upgrades.
Now this is lifted, has wideners and weights and better servo, and then just some coloring and cutouts and stuff that I like to make it look the way I want it to look, and then
Right.
a tow strap. And then also some metal links instead of the plastic links that came with it.
Right. And I'm going to do a video on that one, and maybe just include these two, but do a video on that one with mine has a burnout motor, it's broken, on what the upgrades are.
All right.
You gonna play with it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drive it just to make sure everything works.
All right. We'll play with it.
Bye.